Alright, so this is my American Tactical C45. I've looked all over the internet. I have not been able to find a assemble video on it. So I figured I'd do one. Like I said, this is my first video, so fuck off if you don't like it. Alright, so I'm going to start off by injecting the magazine. I'm going to lock the slide. I noticed if you have it off safety, it comes off a lot easier. So I'm going to lock the slide. There's a little lever here that you're going to want to push like that. Alright, then we're going to release the slide and it should come all apart. So, alright, here we go. Alright, so it's apart. Now you're ready to clean it. It took me a minute to figure out. My friend Brian actually figured it out. It kind of disassembles like a XDM, so yeah, here it is. I'm gonna reassemble now, so barrel spring gets put right back in there. There's these two. You want to make sure these line up when they get slits. Relock the slide. Latch goes down. Ready to rock and roll. There's my video for the American Tactical C45. I guess like and share. If you don't like it, then whatever. But this is my first video, so alright, I'm done.